I have 5 approximately 9-ounce lobster tails, anything between 8 to 10 ounces, and that's a pretty popular weight for lobster tail. You cook for approximately 6 minutes. Now this is a rolling boil. I've got my Himalayan salt in there, and I've got a whole bunch of garlic. Just when you think you put enough garlic in there, put in some more. Hi, this is Mike Senn. I'm about to prepare a lobster feast. I'm going to take 5 lobster tails that are fully thawed all the way. Actually thawed them out in the refrigerator in some water with a little bit of lemon juice and some garlic. Got some water at a high boil right now. When I say high boil, it's a real rolling boil. I have some salt in there. I use some Himalayan salt. Stirred that in with some garlic powder, just regular granulated garlic powder. How much do you use? Well, just when you think you put enough in, put in some more. So, at about 45 seconds per ounce, these in the neighborhood of 9 ounces each, actually weighing, some are just under 9, some are just over 9. Came up with about 6 minutes. So, I'm going to boil them for 6 minutes, take them out, cut them open, and have a meal. If these were alive, probably use tongs or something, they tend to splash a little bit. All right, let's start that timer. Okay, after about 6 minutes, these babies are out and they're ready to start opening up. I'm going to use scissors, only because I'm probably safer with them than a knife. I prefer to remove the meat from the shell when it's on the table, and not prior to that, unless I'm making lobster rolls. Less crunchy. There's several different ways of doing this. You can cut the whole lobster in half right down the middle, serve them open sideways. Me, I'm just going to kind of cut most of this shell out of the way so the meat can easily be removed once it's on the plate. And there you have it, the quick and the dirty. How long do you need to cook this stuff for? What do you cook it in? And then you can do all kinds of different recipes. I just want something quick and easy right now. So, melted up some butter, a little bit of salt, and that's all I need, and I'm going to be really happy.